friends, welcome to E-Class. Myself Smita teacher. Students, open your maths textbook page number 50. New points. We are going to start making problems based on the given information and solving them. See, what is the heading? They will provide you the numbers. Any two numbers they will provide you. Okay. And some hints they will give in the example. You have to make word problem. You have to frame the word problem of addition or subtraction. According to the instructions, you have to make the word problem and solve it. Okay. To frame the word problem, you have to keep in mind the note, the important note which I have explained it in the beginning of the lesson. In the beginning of this chapter, I have explained it very clearly. We are going to use same words in the example. Okay, we will see the exercise. Based on the given information they will give you. Make one addition and one subtraction problems each and solve the problems. See, suppose one information they have given. From same information you have to make one addition and one subtraction example. You have to frame the word problem and solve it. We will see first example and last example. Okay, these two examples I will explain very clearly and you have to solve this exercise in your notebook. Okay, we will see on the blackboard. See, first example, cost of one company's washing machine is rupees 19,999. Cost of another company's washing machine rupees 21,550. See, one company's washing machine, instead of this we will use A company's washing machine, and another company's washing machine, for that we will use B. Letter A shows one company and letter B shows another company. Okay, it is easy to frame the example. These two numbers they have provided you. It is the cost of washing machine and you have to make one addition. From this information you have to make one addition and from same information you have to make one subtraction word problem and solve it. We will see this example on blackboard. See here, first example, we will solve by 2. See students, first example, cost of one company's washing machine dash rupees 19,999. By using this information, you have to construct the sentence. It is just information. It is not in proper sentence. So first you have to construct the sentence by using these numbers. I have told you before, one company's washing machine you can use letters also. A, B, C, D, A to Z, any letters you can use. See, now I am going to make first addition example. The cost of A company's washing machine is rupees 19,999 and B company's cost is rupees 21,550. Addition example I am making. So which words I have to use? In all, total, all together, any one word I have to use in the question. So what is the question? How to frame the question? What is the total cost of both machines? Total word I have used, so it is the example of addition. What is the total costs of both washing machines. And at last give question mark. Okay, this is your example. Now you have to solve it. Okay, see, listen carefully. I am reading the example. The cost of a company's washing machine is rupees 19,999 and B company's washing machine cost is rupees 21,550. What is the total? Total word I have used, so it is the example of addition. So I was telling you, learn the note. Note is so important. You can use the note to frame the examples. Okay. What is the total cost of both washing machines? Now we have to solve this example. Make columns and do addition. See, these two numbers are 5 digits, so we have to make 5 columns. Here write down places. Here carrying over if it is there. Here numbers and answers. Units, tens, 100, TH shows 1000, TTH 10,000. Okay, what is first? 19,999. What is this? Cost. Plus. It is addition example, so plus. 21,550. Always start from unit place. 9 plus 0, 9. 9 plus 5, 14. 1 will be carrying over here. 9 plus 1, 10 plus 5, 15. 9 plus 1, 10 plus 1, 11. 1 plus 1, 2 plus 2, 4. What is the total cost of both machines? Read this number. 41,549. Therefore, the total cost of both machines is rupees 41,549. It is the example of addition. What is your question? Based on the given information, make one addition and one subtraction problem. One addition problem we have made, right? One subtraction example is remaining, but we have to use same information. So what was the example? The cost of one given will be the same. Okay, from same information we have to make addition and subtraction example and solve. Now we will make the subtraction example. The cost of a company's washing machine is rupees 19,999 and B company's washing machine is rupees 21,550. Till here example is same in addition and subtraction. Okay, in addition and subtraction example, till here same sentences you can use. Listen carefully, it is little hard. Last year it was there, but just 3-digit number we are there. Now here 5-digit number. That is only difference, but you have to make the word problem. This question was there for last year. In 3rd standard you have learnt it. But then also listen carefully. Till here your sentences may be same. No problem if sentences are same. But question you have to frame in different way. Because total, altogether, together, in all these words we use for addition. And for subtraction we have to use left, remain, how much more, how much less, how many more, how many less, and still to be. Like these words we have to use for subtraction example. So how to frame the question now? See, listen carefully. Which is the more costly and by how much? Which company's washing machine is more costly and by how much? Okay. See, which company's washing machine is more costly? By number, you can understand that B company's washing machine is more costly. But by how much? To answer this question by how much, we have to do subtraction here. One basic rule I have told for subtraction. In subtraction, which number we have to write first? Always write down bigger number first in subtraction. Don't forget this rule, okay? We will see this example on blackboard. To solve the subtraction example, first make 5 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here write down places. Here borrowing if it is there. Here numbers and here answers. Units, tens, 100, 1000 and here 10,000. Which is the biggest number in these two numbers? 21,550. What is this? It is cost. This is the biggest number and 19,999. It is the smaller number. Okay. Now always start from unit place. 0 is there. Cut 9 from 0. 0 is there. Can you cut 9 from this 0? No, we can't cut. So borrow from neighbors. Here is 5. Take 1 from 5. 4 is remaining. 1 give here. Down is 0. 10 minus 9. 1. 4 minus 9. Can we do? 1, 2, 3, 4. Cut 9 from this 4. We can't cut. So borrow from neighbors. Here is 4 and here 14. 14 minus 9. 5. 9. Count after 9 till 14. Answer is 5. 4 minus 9. We can't do, so again borrow from neighbors. 14 minus 9. Answer is 5. 0 minus 9. We can't do, so borrow from neighbors. 10 minus 9. 1. 1 minus 1. 0. So which company's washing machine is more costly and by how much? Answer this question and make the sentence and write in therefore. Okay. Therefore, B company's washing machine is costly by rupees 1,551. Therefore, B company's washing machine is more costly by rupees 1,551. In this way, you have to write the answer by using 3 dots. That means therefore. So, listen students carefully. This exercise is little hard. If you have any doubt, you can message me. Okay. But you have to repeat. See the video twice, thrice, understand the concept and try to solve the examples. Okay, now last example I will explain here. 8th number example I will explain now. Example number 8. The capacity of one water tank is rupees 38,500 liter. What is meant by capacity? We can put water in that. That is the capacity of water tank. How much water we can pour in the tank? That is the capacity of that water tank. Okay. The capacity of one water tank is rupees 38,500 liters. The capacity of another water tank is 22,750 liters. So from this information you have to make one addition and one subtraction example. Okay, we will see this on blackboard. See, first we will make addition example. The capacity of a water tank is 38,500 L shows liter, small L shows liter, and B water tank is 22,750 liter. What is the total capacity of both tanks? And give question mark here. See, here total word I have used, so it is the example of addition. But from here till here, you can use same sentences in subtraction example. From here to here, you can use same sentences for subtraction example. Just do changes here in question and use the words which I have told you in the note for subtraction. That words you can use in question and make the example of subtraction. This is the example of addition, so we will solve it on blackboard. Make 5 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Places, carrying over, numbers, answers. Units, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. What is the capacity of first water tank? 38,500. It is capacity. Plus second 22,750. This is also capacity. Always start from unit place. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 5, 5. 7 plus 5, 12. 8 plus 1, 9 plus 2, 11. 3 plus 1, 4 plus 2, 6. In this way, we got the total capacity of water tanks, both water tanks. Read the number. 61,250. The total capacity, therefore the total capacity of both tanks is 61,250. And what will be the unit here? Liter. 61,250 is the total capacity of both tanks. So students, in this way addition example we have solved. Now we will see the subtraction example. See, the capacity of a water tank is 38,500 liter and B water tank is 22,750 liter. Which water tank has more capacity and by how much? and by question mark. See, the capacity of A water tank is 38,500 liter and B water tank is 22,750 liter. Which water tank has more capacity and by how much? Which water tank has more capacity by number? You can understand that A water tank has more capacity, but by how much? To answer this question, by how much, we have to do subtraction here. We will solve on blackboard. These are the columns here. In subtraction, always write down bigger number first. So 38,500 is a bigger number. It shows capacity. Minus 22,750. This is also capacity. This number also shows capacity. Always start from unit place. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 5 we can't do, so borrow from here. 10 minus 5, 5. 4 minus 7 not possible, so borrow from here. 14 minus 7, 7 is the answer. 6 minus 2, 4. 3 minus 2, 1. Therefore, a water tank has more capacity by 14,750 liters. A water tank has more capacity by 14,750 liters. In this way, we have finished this exercise. So students, today's homework is solve exercise from textbook page number 50 in your notebook. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe, eat healthy, stay healthy and study well.